Hello? Hello, I'll be right back quick. Just need to shut the door and, sorry if my internet or my recording thing wasn't working. Um, okay, I just need to check the video right quick and see that it work. It actually, okay, Foxer, but can you be a little bit quieter for once, boy? Come here, you knife him. You knifed him. Come here. You knife you, nubs. Come here! Where the heck are they? All these people are gonna be. Come on, come at me. Come at me, booties. Yeah. Hey, you want to it? Huh? Who wants some? Huh? Who wants some? What? Who wants some? Come at me. Go! Oh. Hey. Hey, where do you go, buddy? Oh no. Oh my god. Stop lagging. Bro, where the heck is everyone? I missed all 20 shots. Oh, double kill. Yeah. I walked into the thank you. Hi, I am recording. Yeah, I am recording. What's up, boys? Come on. Bruh. How did I miss? Is this guy got Gamo, bro? Come at me. Bruh, I can't. Hey, butter. God damn it. Hi, bud. Oh. Why? Who hates lag these days? Oh my god. Oof. This gunman. Like, this guy! Backstab? Ah, thank you. Oh well. Got him. Oh, I got slapped. Got him. Um, yeah, this video's probably gonna be like 10 minutes. How long these people? Really did? Huh? And take someone's kill, bruh. Get out of here. Get out of here. 90 HP! Those are like 10 HP, bruh. I took like 90 damage on this one person. Yeah. You better. So, dude. I know Mr. Bean is the god spot, but hey, you really know that. By the way, that's gonna be the end of the video.